Paul here, 7-8 Stinking Lincoln. First of all, thanks for coming back to my channel here. Today we're going to do some pretty awesome stuff. So if you guys have been following along with my channel a while back, I replaced the valve cover gaskets on my 460 and my 78 Lincoln Continental Town Car. And long story short, the driver's side is still leaking. Okay, so what happened was I made a rookie mistake. You know, it's a 40-year-old car. The cork and rubber gaskets, they were pretty much done. It has started developing a leak on the driver's side. Not knowing any better, because I'm really trying to learn the old school stuff. You know, I'm electronics tech, so you know I'm real savvy with all the new tech stuff. So I'm trying my best to learn the old tech stuff. So anyways, I over tightened it, and well, I've got the light on it. I'm just gonna let you guys see for yourself. Let me unloosen this a little bit, and you should be able to see all that oil that's coming out. And if you look at that bolt right there, that's the one I over torqued, and you can see the metal has bent out. So now I did get rubber gaskets, so they are reusable. So we're gonna test that theory today. I also purchased a punch set, ball peen hammer. I am gonna do a spray gasket on one side of the rubber, on the side that mounts to the valve cover gasket. I'm gonna paint it as well while I have it off. That is Old 4 Blue. These are the different tools that you'll need. If I'll turn this around, okay, get some better light. If you need help removing the valve cover gasket, okay, I want you to check this link out right here. Okay, this is for part 1, and this will actually be the driver's side of the 460. Okay, if it's on your passenger side, then I want you to click this link right here, and that will take you to part 2, which will be the passenger side removal and replacement. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for joining me. Take a moment too also to hit that like and subscribe button, and take care. Okay, you can see we've got the valve cover out. We've got the new valve cover gaskets in. We're going to go back with the original OEM recommended, which is cork. I would not recommend getting the rubber ones. Like I said in my last video, I had already ordered them before I'd learned, or you know, before I knew better. So it is what it is. So it also didn't help that I over tightened them as well. So that was not really the greatest thing in the world to do either. So let's try to learn from my mistakes. So basically, the name of the game is to get this back even as best as you can. So to do that, Okay, so I've done 3 layers of paint on the valve cover. Same thing with the screws here. I've also painted the breather black. Anyway, as you can see, this can look real nice. Look at that. Money, money, money. Anyways, just gonna let it cure, and then we'll reinstall it. Me just extra careful putting it back in. So anyways, I'll show you what it looks like whenever it's said and done. Okay, good to go. Reinstalled. Came out real nice. Got it in without scratching it. Pretty cool. So far I've done that one, the bracket, the coil, and you can look, here is the original one. It's down in there. So I'm going to paint that one next, just not tonight. Then of course the air breather, then a lot of these brackets, especially whenever I do the radiator. So anyways, we'll just do a little bit here and there. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Take care.